So for implement the debugging techniques, I'm going to create the one console application. So let's open the Visual Studio. So click on here. Let's click on the create a new project. So here select the C sharp here in this drop down, first drop down, and the next drop down should be the Windows, and the next drop down is the console, because of we are going to create the console application. Now let's select this template console app.NET framework and click on next. After that project name, debugging techniques, you can give whatever the project name here, and location. So for that, let's browse and go to the D drive. So I have selected the console application. So let me give the same location over here, and as of now solution name I'm taking the same name of the project name and create. So console project has created in the expected location. Just click on that folder structure, and you can see the solution file, Visual Studio solution file. You have to click on that. Just click on that. Now you are seeing the your project.